Meaning of indecisive.
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 Indecisive. The term indecisive refers to a person's inability to make a firm decision or to take action. An indecisive person often experiences difficulty in making a choice, weighing their options, and committing to a course of action. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and indecision. In social situations, they may struggle to express their opinions or assert themselves, preferring to remain neutral or passive. Indecisiveness can be a learned behavior or a personality trait and may require counseling or therapy to overcome.